Um, greetings, salut, comment allez-vous? Greetings to all our followers. We here back again. This is your favorite channel. Let's Grow Plus 231. It's about 11 my time, and we out here, you know, doing our organic garden, and also we have our animals. You know, these guys, they will not be afraid of you if you let them know that they can trust you with their lives. So we're going to be giving you an update on what we'll be doing today. I'm super excited seeing you again. Just to give you a hint, we'll be doing pumpkins, and we'll be planting also some corn. Alright? So just ignore the noise in the background. My neighbors are around. Like I said, see the horizon. It feels so super good. The weather is nice, and our plants are really getting support from nature because it's in May and we're getting a lot of rainfall. So the plant, the garden update, is going to be super good. See these guys here. So ignore the noise. It's in Africa. We woke up, everybody doing their own stuff, and I can't tell my neighbors to shut up, so we're just showing you what it's like. You see the animals are out, the chickens, the ducks, and the birds, and it just feels so good being with nature and just breathing the fresh air. So like I said, get ready for the pumpkin and corn update. Catch you in the next one.